Hello, today in this video we will learn how to validate mobile number using jQuery. First go to VS Editor and body. First here write a form or input field for enter mobile number or validation. First label open and label close. Right, enter your mobile number for mobile number and one input field type equal to text, id equal to mobile number, placeholder equal to enter your mobile number. Next button open and button close. Right, validate and button id is validate button and save. After complete this step, now write skip jQuery skip for validate the mobile number. Skip tag open and close. Dollar document dot ready function dollar double quotation has validate button. Copy this id button id and paste here. Dot click function now get the mobile number from the input field. Variable mobile number equal to dollar double quotation has mobile number or input id is mobile number. Copy and paste here. Dot hello or val. Now regular expression to match a validated mobile number. Var mobile number pattern equal to slash line dollar slash. Next, show the success message and error message here. If copy this variable name mobile number, paste here. Dot match and now paste or copy first this variable. Now valid mobile number, then show the valid mobile number and color is green. So dollar and after the button we write on div for print the message, success message and error message. ID equal to message, and here copy this ID, double quotation open and close has pass, dot text, double quotation open and close, valid mobile number, dot css, duration, color, comma, green, and semicolon. Else invalid mobile number. So copy this line and paste here. Mobile number is invalid. Color red and save, and semicolon here and here. Save. To browser, reload the page. Enter your mobile number first. Write the invalid mobile number or alphabet and validate. Mobile number is invalid. Now mobile number invalid for and click the validate. Valid mobile number. If I less than 10 number and click the validate, then mobile number is invalid. 10 and valid, mobile number is validate. Now more than 10 number and valid, mobile number is invalid. Thank you.